Hello, and welcome back to InkLingo. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a sweet little story in Spanish called My First Bicycle. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Let's warm up with a few keywords. Bicicleta means bicycle. Tengo means I have. Feliz means happy. And roja means red. In this story, a child gets a very special surprise from their parents. Let's listen and see what it is. Here we go in Spanish at the A0 level.
Yo tengo una familia. Tengo una mamá y un papá. Yo quiero una bicicleta. Papá y mamá tienen una sorpresa para mí. Es una bicicleta. Es mi primera bicicleta. Mi bicicleta es roja. Es una bicicleta grande. No es pequeña. Me gusta mi bicicleta roja. Yo monto mi bicicleta. Es fantástico. Yo estoy muy feliz.
And there we have it, a shiny red bicycle and one very happy new rider. Sometimes the simplest gifts bring the biggest smiles. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app. See you next time!